What's up, guys? Today we are going to play anything you could think of. But before that, make sure to like and subscribe.
I just I just created this game like 2 weeks ago, and look, I just created it. There's a McDonald's in this game and a admin thingy, and there's a McDonald's. It has everything in the bathroom. Hey, why are you guys looking? Why are you looking? Okay. Now, it has everything. You can explore it. And then there's this admin thingy that you can get anything, but there's things that you can't get. Like bazooka, flying rainbows, carpet, laser gun, anything. Okay, and then there's a house party. Rất là chill. Wait, like a play area for kids. I created it. No, I just found it I searched it and I found it. Look at how red I look. How cool I look. Okay, I have a gun and a bazooka. What if I shoot the gun? What if I shoot the bazooka? That works. What is that? Actually, I explored this game. It's my first time as well. I only created it and I didn't explore it. Entrance only. I'm not going to explore this one. Okay. Let's explore. There's an exit there. A slide. Let's go. Oh gosh darn. I'm stuck. I'll be right with you. Okay, I just got out and then there's this exit. I'm not going to explore it again. Okay, entrance only. I entered. I entered. Entered. Oh, wait. The thingy that we found. I was going to explore it, but no. Okay. This is my play area. Just the play area. And then we have. Good. Then we have Ferris wheel. I think it doesn't function. It does. Hmm. Okay, a functioning Ferris wheel, but I don't have time to show that to you guys. Okay, then we have a parkour area right here. Then there is this parkour area. You can practice anything here. Like I'm very bad at parkour. I'm very bad. Like you saw, I'm very bad. Will you say?
Okay, I just died. I told you guys I'm bad at parkour. I'm not that good. I'm not saying I'm excellent at parkour, but sometimes you just get out of form.
You're not always good at everything. You're not. Yeah, you're not. If someone says they're perfect, you're not. No one's perfect. No one. You cannot name anyone who's perfect. Okay, I'm going to try again. Okay, this is so easy, but just okay, you know what? I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it. You know what? I'm going to just just wait. Just wait. Okay. You know what? I'm going to end the video right here. Oh yeah, forgot to show you this. Oh, there's a jail cell I found in the search bar, and you know what? I'm going to end the video right here. In the next video, I'm going to tell you how to open the safe and the code. If this video gets to what 20 likes, I will upload the next part and show you how to unlock the safe. Until then, stay safe.